Good morning, class. Today is October 3rd. Today we're going to learn about carpetbaggers. So a carpetbagger is someone who comes from the north and moves to the south after the Civil War during Reconstruction. These people were most commonly Union soldiers, although they didn't have to be. And basically once they arrived in the south, they invested with cotton farmers and tried to essentially help the freedmen grow and really establish the Republican voting base there, along with the additional freedmen. So essentially, the South really hated these guys because they were coming in and they were kind of these guys wandering into town and showing up and just there to basically change the South. And they really hated it. The Southerners really hated these guys. In the South today, it's a big insult if you're called a carpetbagger because it moves that you're moving into an area to exploit an opportunity. And people don't like that down there. Essentially, carpetbaggers are an interesting part of Reconstruction. They're kind of like the foot soldiers of the Reconstruction movement, showing that people in the North really did want to change the South, and these were the people who were willing to do it. The people willing to go there, and the people willing to travel there and change the place. Unfortunately, they didn't really succeed because there wasn't a lot of them. Also, they were met with a lot of resistance. So there you go. There's carpetbaggers. Simple little object lesson for today.